Hey guys! So today we're having stuffed chicken breast on a bed of greens. But this is not just any chicken. This is chicken that's gone to private school. We're stuffing the chicken with mushroom and feta, and then it's going on a bed of greens. But before it goes there, we're going to add it into coconut flour, egg, put some Parmesan on it, some lovely tomato sauce, homemade of course. Whew, you don't want to miss this. Stay tuned to see how it's done. Right, so we've got the mushroom and feta in here. I've opened up my chicken breast, seasoned it with just salt, coconut flour in there, egg that's got thyme in it, and I'm just going to stuff the chicken with that, put it in there, then in there, and then the Parmesan, which is lying around somewhere here. And then it's going to go into my pan that has butter, not much butter, ne? Yes. And I'll be honest with you, in here is now become a tomato relish instead of tomato sauce because we keep it real out here. My nieces are crying, making a noise.